Hey guys, welcome back to Scratch Academy. And today I'm going to show you the community. So, last time I showed you all of this. Today I'm showing you all of this. Okay, maybe not all of this, but still a lot. Okay, first thing, feature the project. Jump! These are the things that the Scratch team wanted to put on the front page because it's a very good project and they look very good. For this one, the second one is more true than the first one. Sorry, but it's literally just I don't even do anything. It's just a following the following behind. What we did. Okay, then featured studios. Studios are groups of one kind of project or groups of projects groups of projects that all have something in common like exciting elements, guitars, lanterns, flashlights, confetti. Yeah, so and these are the ones that the Scratch team wanted to put on its front cover. Then there's a Scratch Design Studio Pixelated, which is a random studios project. Instead of being a random studios, it's a random studios project. I want to see this. Uh, okay, now the next thing are these things down here. First, about community resources for parents and legal. I'm going to skip legal because I don't care about that. For parents, I'm also going to skip it. Hmm. I'm also going to skip it about community. Scratch Wiki. This is the Scratch Wiki. I know what you want me to say. Then the discussion forums. This is where you can where you can talk with other people, uh, like ask and answer to help with scripts, tell, tell everyone about your projects and studios, a place to give and get help think of project ideas, join with others to work together on Scratch projects, and I don't really know how that works. Looking for something? What offer your skills to it? And all that. Yeah, I use this one the most. Okay, next thing. Community guidelines. It's just the community guidelines. I have no idea what embrace remix culture means. Yeah, I have no idea what it means. Like, what's remix culture? Yeah, yeah. Resources. The starter projects again. The ideas again. Yeah. The okay. I actually have no idea what this is. I don't know what the direct says download, but and the help center. Okay, so what else is there? Hmm. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything else except how to manage your public profile and other public profiles. Oh, and how to see other, and other things. Okay, your public profile. Uh, about me. You can say things about you. Find this. Hello, this is our web account. YouTube. And the link to my YouTube, which you're watching this on. When I'm working. This is where you can say what you're working on. I'm working on Conquering Countries, Country Ball the Caribbean, and my Scratch Academy series on my YouTube channel. Then there's your I think it's called a profile photo. You can choose a photo to have on there. Featured project. Uh, this is like a project that you want to show off. Okay. Featured project, featured tutorial, work in progress. Remix this. My favorite sounds. Why I scratch? I have no idea why there's something they call it. Why I scratch? There, but yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now this is what the person's been doing. Their shared project. You can look at all of them. Their their favorite project. You can look at all of them. The studios they're following. The studios they curate, which is basically a fancy word for like manage the following and the followers. I have I have one more follower than a follower than I'm following. Huh. Then there are the comments. Hmm. You can turn off the comments if you want for some reason. Yeah, this is basically the same thing for every profile, except for profiles that aren't yours. You can't actually edit anything. You can only the only things you can edit are the are leaving a comment. Oh, and also you can follow the person and you'll get and and you'll appear here. Okay, the next thing that I have to talk about, which isn't really a thing, but I have to talk about them. They're grift patch. Um, they're like the most famous or the second most famous scratcher in Scratch. The first one, if they're not the first, if they're the second, the first one is is the actual Scratch team. Yeah, like, just just look at all these projects, and he makes a really good projects. Instead of pumping out really a lot of bad projects like me, he makes a lot of really good projects like him. Like, look at this. He made ball physics. Okay, that probably came out sounding worse. Look at this. He made Scratch in Scratch. Scratch emulator. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to go so I can show you. Oh, look, terrible chips. Okay then. Uh, Look at this. Scratch emulator. They even made the new Scratch blocks. Look at the. uh, Look at these. Maybe. uh, These are like this. These projects that you can load aren't made by him, but but still, he still found a way to make them to he still found a way to load them into the emulator. One of my projects I originally was playing around in this emulator. Yeah. And there's like maybe his most famous project. I don't know if it's his most famous project. It might be his paper Minecraft. Here, he made Minecraft in Scratch. Like, sure, it may be 2D, but he still made the freaking Minecraft in Scratch. Ah, ah, look at this. Ah, ah. I wish I could make projects this good. Yeah. My favorite one of his projects has to be his ball physics though. It's just so it's just so entertaining. And easy to change the map. Yay! It's almost like a puzzle. I'm just going to play this for a while, if you guys don't mind.